They got lucky this time, but they'll need to be more cautious in the future. Trees aren't something to take lightly, especially when using a crane. So true. Having the right safety equipment is half the battle. But you've got to be aware of your surroundings too. Tree cutting is no joke. He was almost going to win the Darwin Award. This might just be the wildest tree removal method I've ever seen. Who even thinks of doing it this way?
Muy bien, muy bien.
It looked like he was performing some wild acrobatics. That was too close, but thankfully, he's fine.
Porca Madonna! Madonna santa!
That was jaw-dropping. It felt like watching a live stunt from a movie set, so fast and chaotic. I can't believe everyone is okay. Phew, I can't believe how close it came, but I'm grateful everything was saved just in time. Stand on a ladder with a chainsaw running, with no protective gear on, and lean that ladder against the tree you are felling, which is steadied by a clothesline pulling in the wrong direction. The man is a genius and lucky to survive intact.
One thing I didn't take into consideration.
Now that's what I call a clash of titans. The Kirovet's K701 going against that tree is an epic demonstration of strength and determination. If the tree is leaning toward the house, don't attempt to cut it without a solid plan. And it happened.
Oh my God. Oh, it's moving! It's going! Oh Lord.
With the direction they were pulling the tree, it was clear they anticipated how it would fall. Thankfully, it seems there wasn't too much damage to the house. That tractor was about to get flattened. They should have opted for a more powerful machine. Safety first. Whoa, the second that saw jammed, I thought, this is not good. That's a split-second decision pros make. Drop it and run before anything worse happens. You can't take chances with that kind of equipment.
And it's going the wrong way. Oh my gosh.
From the get-go, that leaning tree was a red flag. It practically screamed, "I'm coming down on the house."
That was not good at all.
Find the Outer Banks. Chop down trees, yay.
Holy smokes, that had me on the edge of my seat. Trying to manage a tree is no joke, especially when it decides to go rogue. Thank goodness for safety gear. Who knows what could have happened otherwise? Despite their best efforts to redirect it, that tree clearly had its sights set on the car. No kidding, trees can be deceptively tricky. You think you have it under control, but they can surprise you. That was a heart-stopping moment. One split-second choice saved the day. I was holding my breath the entire time. Wow, what a wake-up call. You really got lucky there. It's amazing your saw took the hit instead of you. Talk about a close shave. What happened? That old tree was on fire, and he just cut it down. I got chills just from watching this. Imagine being the one up there, sawing away. There's way scarier stuff in this world. But this is insane. It's incredible how something as simple as a back cut can change everything. The way that tree fell was a real shocker. You did everything right, but nature has its way of keeping you on your toes. True that. One moment of complacency, and it could have ended badly. Trees demand our full attention. When you're on your own, cutting down an old oak tree is no joke. It's a tricky situation.
Los dos huevos ahí, así se trepa una encina bien.
Cutting down a tree is no joke. One wrong move and things can get out of control fast. Oh no, this is definitely not a parking spot. Oh my God, he wanted that bed off, and he sure got it done. Oh man, you've got a point. Buses are beasts, but trees don't budge without a fight. It's like nature's deadlock. You can't win with brute force alone. Man pulling a tree stump with a truck? That's next level weekend warrior stuff. But yeah, one snap, and that cable's a missile. Yikes.
You got it! Oh my God.
Well, it looks like these guys seriously underestimated the power of those trees.